I'm actually not building this website. Like, I'm not building it. Your main issue is actually going to go back to, like, decision. You're going to have to make decisions. So this is something else I've been working on. This is my actual website. And also kind of seems like it's becoming more than just the website. I have a content factory that's supposed to help me make videos. I have skills. Um, I have digital signal processing that I'm going to have, and I have a Streamlit site that I put in there as an example. Um, Development scripts to move this stuff to my server. The only ones that I move to the server is the API of the application and the front end. Where is the front end at? It's getting very crowded. Here we go. So I move those to my server. Let me show you my website. It's a MacBook logic board repair service, and you can either log in, you don't have to log in or make an account. You could just do this. You could just put your email address here, describe your problem that you're having, send a message, and I should get an email at my Gmail account right here. Or you can go ahead and you can register and set up an account. You can log in. Let's see, what is my, as a JLAN, I believe. Let's see, put your email up here. I think it's this one, jamie@solon.com. And this is kind of cool. You could create a work order, or you can open up an existing work order, and then you can create services inside this work order. You can do device repair, or you can do project. So device repair would be like, oh, I have this A2338 not turning on. Maybe spill coffee on it or something. Of course, I misspelled coffee. You don't even have to put a serial number. You could just leave it blank, create a service, and adds that to it. And then when you're finished, you just submit work order and services. And then it tells you it's sent it by email, and then I'll get an email for it. Let's see. There it is. I got an email for it, and it tells me a work order, tells me the services in the work order. I built this site, but I haven't tested this part of it. What do you mean? Well, I'm actually not building this website. Like, I'm not building it. Um, I'm not building it. It sounds kind of weird to say. I started out using Cursor to build it, and then I moved over. Now I'm using Cursor in Claude AI. I went ahead and got the Claude Pro plan, the $20 a month plan, and I have a claude.md in the root directory right here, and I just recently added identity and rules, which I was missing before, and you're helping Jamie Lynn with Solon web application for online MacBook repair and consulting services. There should be like multiple rows. I'm going to have to make another folder for this to separate the web development part from everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. But anyway, it's like school.com Jake Jake Van Cleif. Cleif notes. Okay, I'm starting to take these from Jake Van Cleif, and this is kind of where I kind of got this little system from, but that's not the right way to implement it. I'm learning that I'm missing a few things. So if I go to classroom and I go to foundations, my first folder. So we need the claude.md folder, and we need the context.md, and we need the references.md. At least those three folders, at least. I have the Claude one, and I have a Claude on the top level, and then in each one, I have a Claude MD in here as well that goes in for the API, and then I'll have some more right here. Like I have a context MD for my blueprints. So like I kind of got it, but not fully. Like I don't tell it not to do stuff, and I don't tell it to. I also don't tell it what row it should play. Like you are a backend Flask Python developer, or if you're doing the front end, you're a React front end developer. Yeah, so I do use the folder system to kind of split the contexts of the AI. A warning is, this is a huge warning, is that your main issue is not going to become the development or anything like that. Your main issue is actually going to go back to like decision. You're going to have to make decisions, which is a very hard thing for me to do. Um, that's why I think this thing, like this website, this MacBook repair site, like this is why I haven't worked on it for so long, and why it's been such a dead project, and then I have no customers and stuff, is because like I have a decision A, and then it's like, oh, I want a decision B. No, let's go back to A. And like I just get in this loop of like where I cannot make a decision at all, and maybe that's ADHD or something. And then it's like, I just have to give up and then like go out and find something else, right? Yeah, we'll just do it right here on this one. We're gonna go out like this. We're gonna make a directory called Solon, and then we're gonna move Solon site into Solon. Wait a second, I think I just renamed it. I just renamed it to Solon. Dang it. Didn't I? Yeah, I think I just renamed it to Solon. Okay, okay. What we're gonna do? Oh boy. Solon site. Make sure we have a underscore right there. Okay, what I wanted to do, I want to make a directory and called Solon. Then we want to move Solon site into Solon. So need that right there. Okay, then let's go inside of Solon. Make sure we didn't overwrite everything. CD Solon site. Oh, it looks like I've accidentally like embedded it 2 times. Okay, so I just want to like take some things out, change a few things. So we're gonna move skills to Solon site. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I want. And then, what is that? LLM. There's nothing in there. Yeah, we're just going to kind of move things outside. Content factory as well. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing here. That out. LLM out too. There's nothing in there. And then products. Like it tells in detail what to do. It's just not organized very well. Like just everything is in the claude.md and just stuff all over the place. And that's what we're working on. So I think this is a good first step right here, where we're getting closer. Yeah. And I guess we can do, let's see. Okay, you are a system, you are a AI systems architect, designing the, and let's see here. We want to tell it not to do things. It should not touch any of the code. Right. Yeah. Do not touch the code. Okay. 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 Now we're here. We're gonna run Claude, and we're gonna bring this prompt to Claude. I trust the folder. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens here. Missing the no Chinese AI policy. Of course. That's right. See, I completely forgot about that. Like, I'm not allowed to use that, right? Not because it's not bad. It's not because it's bad or anything. It's actually pretty good, but because if I want to do any business, you know, I need to have that taken care of inside of the API Claude. Okay, that's cool. So that was going to help out a lot. Make everything yeah, let's kind of look at this, see what it did. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, then this is where all the technology stuff is.